Hey everybody, Robert Wright here, and I'm a private label law attorney who helps Amazon sellers protect their brand online. And today I want to talk to you about brand clearance. Now, what is brand clearance? I've talked in previous videos about how you could, some creative ways for going out and choosing a brand name. That brand name is not going to be any good to you unless it's available. So how do you go about making sure that your brand name is available? Well, there are a couple of different techniques that you can use to make sure it's free. First and foremost, I would go to the United States Patent and Trademark Office's website, uspto.gov. There's a free trademark search there. You can actually go and look at the repository of all the different trademarks that exist. Okay. Now, there's a little bit of an art, a little bit of science to this, but it's if you can use Google, it's easy enough to kind of go in and search terms. My one word of caution though would be as you go in and you search, if you just search a term southpaw. We used that in a previous video. And you just search southpaw and you spell it Southpaw, southpaw, I guess that's how you spell it. It's only going to pull up that exact match, right? One of the things with trademark infringement is you want to be mindful of derivations or variations of it. So maybe southpaws or maybe southpaw spelled differently. Maybe south space paw. You just need to be mindful of that as you kind of go through and look through the repository. That's why a lot of trademark attorneys, so for example, when I work with clients, I'll go out and I'll use a piece of software that does kind of a smart brand clearance that looks at all those variations. But you can do it for free, uspto.gov, and search the trademark repository there. In addition, I think a Google search is just a good idea, right? So registered trademarks with the Patent and Trademark Office will show you marks that have been federally registered, but it could be that there's somebody local out there that's using a mark that's similar to yours. So just do a Google search, see what pulls up, kind of peruse through there. Finally, a domain search. Generally speaking, if someone's invested in a domain, doesn't necessarily mean that they have a registered trademark or even trademark rights if they're not using the domain, but it's at least going to give you a picture of the landscape of people who are using a term that's similar to yours. So 3 things you can do: uspto.gov, Google, and then a good old-fashioned domain search. I hope that helps you when you clear your brand. Thanks for watching the video.